Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about how to make money online. I've got some ideas and options that you should definitely know. Before we begin, if you want to subscribe to this channel, that'd be awesome. And if you want to hit that like button too, that'd really help me out as well. So if you're like me, every time you turn around, you find an email in your inbox and it's kind of telling you how you can make thousands of dollars online with little to no effort. And unfortunately, there are far too many scams out there telling folks this sort of fairy tale of how to make money online with no efforts. Okay, so the good news is that there are legitimate ways to earn a living online. All of them will require effort and work on your part. So if you ever come across something that says, hey, you can make money immediately, then you'll know that that's a scam right away and you should run away from it, okay? This is one of the main ways that you can recognize online money-making opportunity as being false if there's a claim that you can make thousands of dollars while you sleep. It's a good bet that that offer is a fake and will usually cost you money that you'll never ever earn back. So the first one we'll talk about is affiliate marketing. One legitimate idea for how to make money online is to look into affiliate marketing. It's a good idea if you don't have your own product or service, as you are marketing for someone else. You take someone else's product and sell it for them. This type of marketing is usually done by having a link on your website. When a visitor clicks and then makes a purchase, you receive a commission, or you can receive a percentage of the sale. Some merchandisers will also pay you a commission, pay you a commission on the visitors that don't make a purchase but do sign up for newsletters and such. So if you want to get some free affiliate marketing training, you can check out Affiliarama. I'll have a link to that in the blog post. Next is dropshipping. Dropshipping, and this is also a great option if you don't have your own product or service to sell. And the wonderful thing about dropshipping is that you can sell products without having to keep an inventory yourself. All right? You basically serve as a middleman for the buyer and seller. You can easily find wholesale companies online by doing a quick search. Just make sure that the company is reputable and has a good track record before you sign up for them, or more important, before you decide to give them any cash. Another website you could use, I've seen a lot of dropshippers use, is Alibaba.com or AliExpress. They take that, they'll connect that with Shopify, and they'll just make some sales like that, and they'll run like Facebook ads to it. It gets a little complicated, and you can find more information on that if you search on YouTube. All right. Next one is online auctions. Online auctions such as eBay. These are also wonderful ways to make money online with little to no risk, really to you at all. So you simply sign up with the auction. You paste a picture and a product description on the website, and then the bidding will begin. You will have to arrange for shipping, but this is a great way to make money on old items you have in your house or your garage that you no longer need or use. You can think of it as like a cyber garage sale, and you can have fun with it. All right. Next one is product creation. You can also develop your own product or service to sell online. Services are sometimes easier to create and sell online because you already have the skills. Freelance writers, graphic artists, and personal coaches are just a couple of services that can be used to help you figure out how to make money online for yourself in a very profitable way. And finally, we'll talk quickly about freelancing. This is also a great way to make some part-time income. Actually, it could end up being a full-time income for you as well, while you develop your online business ideas and work on your business plan. So this gives you this gives you the advantage of having an idea of what it takes to run your own business, and provides you with a chance to see if you could make a go at it or not before you leave that cold gray cubicle for a cozy home office. So in conclusion, when considering options for how to make money online, remember to do plenty of research into them before you sign anything or pay out any money. While there are certainly many legitimate ways to make money online, there are twice that many that aren't. Lots of scams out there. Choose carefully, and you can use your internet connection to make extra money and perhaps even eventually earn a full-time income all from the comfort of your own PC or your laptop, all right? And if you'd like to get some free training on how you can do all this yourself from home, then I suggest that you get started with Affiliarama. You can get a free account with them today. They'll have a link in the blog post, and additionally you can check out my #1 make money online method, which is a funnel X ROI system, which is all done for you as well. So that's it for this blog post. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Blog post, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Peace.